Today we're going to look at the AERCO Benchmark, and right now we're looking at the display panel. And the display panel is telling us that this boiler is running at 128 degrees. It's on standby at this moment. If there is a problem with this, in this little display screen, it will tell us what the problem is. We need to write that down and log it in to the AERCO boiler log. And as you see, this person has filled in quite a few, and she has put down the month, the date, and the year, the technician's initials, the display that was written on this display panel, and actions taken. Our actions taken will be to clear and to reset. So when you clear and reset, it should reset itself and the boiler should take off. And if it does not, then you need to call in a work order or call your maintenance tech. So going from there, you want to come back to the back here, and we're going to look at, I want to say, the boiler temp and pressure. And this one is running about 125 degrees, and the boiler temp gauge is saying, the boiler temp gauge is set about 125, and the pressure is setting about 25. Perfect. These boilers will run between 80 and 190 degrees, and it'll also, the pressure will be about 18 to 25 pounds of pressure, and you can go a little over 25 pounds, but nothing over 30. Be concerned if it's over 30. As we go around here, we can take off the side panel of this unit. It just pops up, pulls off. Then you set this off to the side. Basically, when we pull this side panel off, all we're going to be doing is looking and listening for anything that something is going wrong. We do not touch anything in here, but we're just looking, inspecting. If there is a problem, and you think there is a problem, call your maintenance tech and put in a work order. As we go back here, we have a pressure valve right here. We'll check that pressure valve once a month by just pulling it up. It'll take care of it. We have a gas shutoff for the unit, and it's numbered. We have our shutoff supply, and we also have our shutoff return. We also have a purge valve that we will do once a month. You'll open this valve in about 3 seconds and shut it. It'll take all the sludge out of the bottom of this tank out. We also have the exhaust right here. We have an exhaust right here, and we have a circ pump up here that helps circulate it through the system. You will also check the header temp, which is over here. This will be a little lower than what the boilers are running. At this moment, it's 134 degrees. It's a little higher because the boilers are not running. The loop temp and header temp are good. Once that drops, the boilers will turn on and start running and heat that loop and header up again. That is all the preventive maintenance that we do with the AERCO boiler system benchmark.